Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version Blender on a Windows 11 PC. So first of all, you just need to go to your browser, it can be any browser that you have, and search for Blender. And after searching that, you will find this blender.org, which is the official website of Blender. Just click on this, then it will show you download Blender 5.1. So this is the latest version right now. Click on this. And after that, you will find download Blender. So as I'm installing for Windows, as you can see, this is the Windows version of installer. If you have other operating system like Mac or Linux, you can select this to install for other operating system. So I'm just going to click on download Blender, and this will automatically start to download on your PC. As you can see, the download has started now, which is only 354 MB. So after finishing the download, just go to the folder. And here is the exe file of Blender. Double click to open this. And this is the installer setup. You just need to click next. And this is where you're going to install your Blender. You can change it, but I'm going to use the default folder. Just click next. Then click just install. Then just click yes to give the permission that it will start to install on your PC. So you just have to wait for a couple of minutes here. And as you can see, installation has been successfully completed. And we're just going to uncheck this. And as you can see, here's the shortcut here. Now click finish. And after that, we're going to test if it's successfully installed. So I'm just going to open it. And as you can see, our Blender has been successfully installed on our Windows PC. Now you can start to create your project here using Blender for free. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.